I apologize. So number one, we had just talked about how our instinct was to subtract, so that's why they wrote an addition inequality. So when we solve it, we're going to draw our line, we're going to solve for n, we're going to keep our sign. Okay, I want to get rid of plus 5, so on one side, what I do to one side, I do to the other. That cancels, and now 12 minus 5 is 7. So she still needs at least 7 rocks or more to have her 12 rocks for her science project. All right, so we're going to match this one with the exact same sign, so it's going to be D. So number 2, Mr. Che has a maximum of $60 to spend at the mall. Okay, a maximum. So he can't overspend. All right, he can spend 60, but not any more than that. So I'm thinking less than or equal to is going to be my sign. A pair of gloves at the mall cost $5. He can spend P dollars to buy other things at the mall. Which inequality can be used to find the possible values for P? So again, this is my total. If this is my total, that means this and this are my parts. Okay? So what do we do with parts when we're trying to find a total? Well, we add them together, right? We're going to use our sign that maximum told us to use, and then we're going to use our total of 60. And so that right there is going to be our answer. On number 2 is D. Number 3, Mrs. May spent $219.47 on her daughter's graduation party. She has more than $39 left. Okay, so left. That sounds like a subtraction problem to me, maybe. The inequality below shows how to find the amount of money Mrs. May started with. All right, so they gave you the inequality, okay, more than. They even gave you their sign. So they're asking what answers could be values or solutions of n. Okay, what of these could be how much she started with? So if we solve how we're supposed to solve, keep the sign. How do I get rid of minus 219.47? Well, I add 219.47. What I do to one side, I do to the other. And then I'm going to actually have to line my decimals up when I add. That's 2 plus 3 is 5. So n has to be greater than $258.47. So I need to circle the one where n, all of these numbers are greater than $258. And that would be A. That one's greater than 258, greater than 258, greater than 258. Okay?